The world of cryptocurrency is under strain. Many investors are concerned as the price of Shiba Inu is declining. Is optimism concealed behind all this mayhem, though? What's the true story with Shiba Inu? Should you simply hang on, or should you be in a panic? Let's investigate, then. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the curve in the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more SHIB news, be sure to click the like button. There has been a concerning trend in Shiba Inu recently. Sadly, its cost has been dropping significantly. Indeed, it has descended to even another low, and it's not apparent when a change in direction would occur. Shiba Inu is having serious difficulties now that has dropped a startling 65% from its previous high this year. This once popular currency is still in trouble, even if there was a temporary surge in significant transactions. The technical examination reveals the persistent problems that Shiba Inus are having. There is a definite declining trend shown in the charts. The downward sliding 50, 100, and 200 exponential moving averages, which point to a persistently negative momentum, are even more troubling. Shiba Inu has lost most of the ground it gained during its peak years, mainly as a result of the persistent decline in demand. It's difficult to have hope for the near future of Shiba Inu, given the existing circumstances. The substantial price decline, together with the moving average's ongoing negative momentum, point to a high level of hesitancy among investors. If nothing changes, this lack of demand may result in more decreases. There's always a chance, however, that opinions may change. A turnaround may occur if the overall cryptocurrency market improves and more investors come to recognize Shiba Inu's worth. Furthermore, any encouraging advancements in the Shiba Inu community or clever actions by its creators can pique interest once again. Nonetheless, it's critical to recognize that there are issues with the present trend. Anyone thinking about entering or holding onto Shiba Inu at this time must proceed with care in the absence of obvious signs for a comeback. In examining the on-chain data in more detail, we can see that in the last 24 hours, 29 transactions totaling slightly more than 1 trillion Shiba Inu have been made with Shiba Inu. This information should help us better comprehend the problem. It's important to take into account the whole picture, even if this statistic could appear great at first sight. A few days later, the number of major transactions plummeted dramatically to only 15. On July 25th, we witnessed a high of 55 in a single day. The large transaction volumes for Shiba Inus have also shown some noteworthy ups and downs. There was a surge a few days before, with transactions approaching 2 trillion Shiba Inu. The general tone of the market is still cautious, albeit this short upswing. The persistent negative patterns have not altered despite the last rising advance. From a wider perspective, it is evident that Shiba Inu owners face several difficulties. As of right now, 48% of Shiba Inu owners are profitable, 47% are losing money, and 5% have just broken even. The challenges that a lot of investors have been facing lately are highlighted in this distribution. Furthermore, it is noteworthy that a small number of major holders control a considerable percentage of Shiba Inu. The hands of these important actors really hold 73% of Shiba Inu. This concentration may be the cause of some of the recent volatility and have a large influence on the market. Although there has been some activity with Shiba Inu, it hasn't been constant enough to indicate a market rebound, as this variation indicates. To put it another way, there are transactions occurring, but there isn't enough momentum overall. I don't think Shiba Inus will start to recover very soon if they don't exhibit consistent and rising activity. Nevertheless, the development team continues to express optimism despite the discouraging news about Shiba Inu. Leading Shiba Inu team member Lucy recently offered her opinions on X, providing a calming viewpoint for many holders. Even the most upbeat supporters failed to completely foresee the effect of uncertain politics and international wars on cryptocurrency values, she said, pointing to the market's recent exceptionally difficult circumstances. For those who value the continuous improvement of the Shiba Inu environment, Lucy made clear that substantial advancements are still being done in the background. It is essential that investors keep this in mind, particularly if they are discouraged by the present market patterns. She understands the dissatisfaction of holders who are looking forward to seeing benefits more quickly, not just with Shiba Inu, but also in the larger ecosystem. Her advice to the community is to pull back from obsessing over daily price charts. She advises concentrating on the Shiba Inu's long-term development and future growth rather than being sucked by transient swings. This kind of thinking is essential since cryptocurrency markets may be very volatile, with prices swinging substantially in short order. Particularly important is Lucy's counsel for long-term holders. Her message is to maintain their strength and not let little setbacks make them lose faith in the endeavor. This kind of support is crucial to building a resilient community that, in difficult times, remains committed to the Shiba Inu goal. Lucy stresses that she is offering her viewpoint based on her experiences and expertise by presenting her ideas as personal insights rather than financial advice. This strategy relieves the pressure on the community to respond impulsively to changes in the market and encourages positive dialogue about the future of Shiba Inu. In addition, August is already underway, and it is particularly significant since it is the anniversary of the founding of the Shiba Inu. Anything is possible this month since there is a feeling of celebration and fresh beginnings in the air. Shiba Inus may have a comeback if the community witnesses unanticipated events, good news, or even changes in consumer mood. At this crucial juncture, Lucy's remarks are even more relevant since they serve as a reminder that even in the face of difficulties, there is always room for improvement. As we anticipate the opportunities that August holds, it's also a good time to take stock of our previous trip. Recall what happened during the last bull run. The cryptocurrency community was experiencing a wave of enthusiasm and optimism at the moment, which caused prices to soar and presented many with amazing chances. As we go forward, a lot of people are excitedly awaiting anything like to a second wave of this bull market. An increasing number of people think that we could be about to see another rise, one that has the potential to support altcoins like Shiba Inu in addition to Bitcoin and Ethereum. The market is buzzing, and it seems like everyone is eager to start a new chapter in the hopes that this impending wave would provide it more vigor and drive. Should history teach us anything, it is that a similar trajectory to what we've seen in the first 10 months of 2021 might propel the price of Shiba Inu to unimaginable heights. One of the best performing cryptocurrencies at the time was Shiba Inu. The astounding news that the price of a Shiba Inu increased by an incredible 27 million% in the first 10 months of 2021, as reported by Arabian Business, thrills us even more. You read it correctly. A 27 million% yield. The pseudonymous developer of Ethereum, Ryoshi, gave half of Shiba Inu's entire supply to Vitalik Buterin, who in turn greatly contributed to this amazing milestone. Buterin destroyed the majority of the tokens that were given to him in 2021 and gave the remainder to charity. This audacious approach increased investor trust in Shiba Inu and encouraged major cryptocurrency exchanges to support its listing. Because of this, Shiba Inu's value surged, and it was one of the top 10 cryptocurrency assets at the time in terms of market capitalization. The cryptocurrency fundamentals have now examined in further detail the potential outcomes should Shiba Inu stage another incredible surge. Shiba Inu's current market value is less than 80% of its peak. Feel a second 27 million% increase. From its present level, the price may increase to an astounding $4.66 per token. An investor would see their investment soar to more over $4.5 million at this price, with 1 million Shiba Inu tokens being valued little over $17 today. It's crucial to remember that, should the circulation quantity of tokens stay close to 590 trillion, attaining this price would raise Shiba Inu's market capitalization to approximately $2 quadrillion. It is doubtful that Shiba Inu would have a rise like the one we saw in 2021 since its estimated market size surpasses the global financial resources available. Although there is genuine enthusiasm for Shiba Inu, as Arabian Business said, we also need to be realistic and recognize the difficulties that lay ahead. What are your thoughts on it, though? Post a comment below. I would eagerly read your thoughts. The date is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.